So how you guys differentiated, not only the company, but the team is in many aspects. One, you talk to me. I know that seems like it's a low-hanging bar, but it is. Follow up, willing to learn what we need to share with you, even though it was outside of your guys' own background and expertise. You didn't really have anybody in there. And really just working with us. Like the fact that we sometimes we're having to not be able to share all the details, which is kind of the same thing that happens across the board, but being able to work with us. We did not get that from any other company. We also did not get we've gotten we got promises from one company that didn't follow through in any way, shape, or form. And I know if tomorrow I needed to actually scale up with a bigger printer or I needed to develop a post-processing method that was unique to us, that I could call you up and that Scott would return my phone call and we would be having meetings within a week to figure out what that would look like. And I know that, like I can say that confidently. How would I describe working with B9Creations? Great, very collaborative, always very responsive, also understanding our timelines and always making sure to check back in with us on those timelines. B9 is also very, very good at helping us see through our own problems and then potentially offering up solutions of people that they may know that is outside of their own expertise. So my experience with the custom materials service aspect was very good. Being able to spend, I think it was like 2.5 to 3 days with one of your customer materials engineers was invaluable. I actually learned from that perspective a lot more of how your guys' programming and your instrument, the hardware and the software work together. And it also allowed me to see a lot more of the options that go with when you choose the higher up package on the software, and how those things can actually apply to my own custom material without the need of your guys' person to know everything about my material. That was invaluable, and has also helped with further development of settings within our own laboratory.